Some gifts don't need to be big, they just need to be thoughtful. A touch of tradition wrapped in elegant, tiny details that speaks louder than words. Let's pack our gift hamper. A little luxury, a little love, and a lot of charm. Small, classy, and unforgettable, just like the moments you are celebrating. Like, share, and save this idea for your next celebration. Subscribe our channel for more unique hamper ideas.